Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain what is forEach method and how we can use forEach in JS. So forEach is an array method used to execute a function on each element of the array. It is mainly used for iteration, not for creating a new array. Okay, and it does not return a new array and like a map. So that is the syntax of forEach, array.forEach, and then element index array, and then arrow function, and then curly braces, and we can like write something here. Okay, and then I'll just take one example. Let's say const fruit, we have one array. In that array we have string like apple, banana, and cherry, and I want fruits dot for each, and then fruit, and then console dot log fruit, and then if I will see output, so I will got apple, banana, cherry in iterate one value. So and then second example, I have one array like const number 1 to 3, and then I want to sum this array. So how we will do? So numbers dot for each, and then num arrow function, and then sum plus equal to num, and then console dot log. So we got 6. Okay. For that, for that we can simply use for each when you just want to loop through the array, and you don't need to return to create a new array. Simply you just you don't need to return, you simply you just iterate the value. So that is the use of for each. So I hope you understood what is for each and how we can use for each. If you have any doubts, you can comment down. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.